How to use live noise reduction while recording on phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can use live noise reduction while recording online. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's jump right in. So for noise reduction, what you can do is first you can open up any apps that will help you edit your noise. So if you want, you can search for such apps. If not, you can simply download it. Go to your Play Store, search for maybe something like Noise Lab to check if it's available. And after you find the app, you can then install it. So you can use the app to clean audio in real time and after recording as well. So yeah, all you have to do is open up the app, adjust the noise reduction settings, and record your audio through the app for cleaner output. The other thing that you can do is something more device specific, where you'll need to have your phone and use something called audio eraser to manually or automatically adjust the volume. So what you can do is you can just make sure that your microphone is clean, and you can get it checked from your local repair shop as well. So just check if this phone is all right or not and if it's usable. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.